What's happening, guys? We are Jay and Sherry Riggs from Riggs Fabrication in Justin, Texas. Today we're coming to you live or recorded from the good guys Lone Star Spring Nationals at Texas Motor Speedway, Fort Worth, Texas. We've been here since Friday with this beautiful 58 Packard Hawk. We won an award for, it's called a Trophy Dash by Classic Instruments. And basically we have restored instrument cluster from Classic Instruments. So they're one of our vendors that we love. And this car is one of 588 ever built. It has a McCullough supercharger on it, a 289 engine. It's a true numbers matching all original car, completely restored over the last 4 years in our shop. And we brought it out. We've really been enjoying showing this car and letting people appreciate how rare it is and how unique it is.
My dad collected cars. He collected Packards and Studebakers. I grew up going to car shows, and when he retired, he had 4 cars and 4 kids. And so I wasn't supposed to get this car. This was my brother's car. But my brother was restoring his own Mustang at the time. And so he cut a deal with my dad to take the lion's share of his gun collection. So I took advantage of the situation and traded the car I had, which was not as valuable, and I traded up. So when I've had this car 30 years or more, and it's even when I was single, I just kept it in storage. I didn't know what I was going to do with it or how I was going to restore it, but I knew I needed to keep it, and it was never a compromise. Even when financially I was having a tough time, I paid the storage bill and I kept it in storage. And when I was dating, I would never show a guy I was dating the car unless I was serious about him, because then they liked the car better than me. But when I met my now husband, I showed him the car. I knew I was serious about him. And we made the decision. My dad loved him. And when my dad passed, we made the decision to go ahead and restore it. So it's been a journey. And we interviewed a lot of fabricators, a lot of people who could do it for us. But Jay understood the importance of why I wanted to restore it. He understood what this meant to me, and that this was going to be more of an emotional, restoration than it's not about the value of the car. It's the value of my heart.
Oh, look at this.
Sorry.
Look at this.
Classic Instruments pick Trophy Dash, Victoria Curtis Cockler out of Justin, Texas. 58 Packard Hawk, Riggs Fabrication and Restoration. And that's supercharged 289. It's got a McCullough supercharger on it.
They came with that.
Yeah, very cool, very cool.
Hey guys, Sherry here. Just want to let you guys know that we are local. We're right here in Justin, Texas. We specialize in custom fabrication, custom paint, custom everything. It's fabulous. Come visit us.